Are you looking for the best snorkel fins? In this video we will look at some of the best snorkel fins on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, CAPAS Snorkel Fins. Swim Fins. CAPAS is an up-and-coming brand that specializes in various swimming products, including swim fins. It's not one of the most well-known, but it does have a small following of fans. You'll find that the products are inexpensive and high quality. This company primarily sells its goods on third-party e-commerce sites, such as Amazon. Currently, you can purchase the products on its website as well. However, no physical retailers carry it as yet. The CAPAS Snorkel Fins for travel features an adjustable open heel design, which makes it easy to put on and take off. Of course, the product also has filter pads inside, which helps to keep the fin's shape when it is stored and not in use. These fins are highly comfortable to wear, and you can put them on in a variety of ways. For one, you can slip into them while standing. However, most people find it easier to sit down to fit them correctly. These are made to be worn barefoot, but you can also wear them with dive booties or fin socks. This can help to protect your feet from blisters and the cold. The open heel feature on these fins is an excellent option for people on a budget. For one, you can purchase one size, and multiple family members can wear them because of the adjustable heel. If that is what you plan to do, consider buying booties or socks for hygiene purposes. We weren't extremely happy with the plastic clasp on the adjustable heel. It easily comes off, which means you shouldn't take them off in the water. Pros: soft material, flexible, yet sturdy, easy to adjust, perfect for travel. Cons: plastic clasp. Number 2. Cressy Adult Snorkeling Full Foot. Cressy Pluma fins are extra long, making them ideal when snorkeling or diving for extended periods without sacrificing their lightweight design. The use of stretchy soft thermo rubber in the foot pocket allows your foot to be comfortable for longer. The foot pocket sits along the bottom of the blade, providing extra protection even in shallow waters. Cressy Pluma fins extend from the top of the foot and cover 20% more surface area, allowing your kick to get you farther than ever before, while a non-slip foot pocket helps your foot to remain securely inside. The light and reactive material used to construct these fins produce a sharp snap motion that adds extra power. While these fins are a little too large for most carry-on luggage, they are extremely lightweight, so you can slide them into your suitcase without worrying about your weight allowance. What makes these snorkel fins stand out? 20% longer for a powerful kick, stretchy material for comfort. Non-slip foot pocket. The sizes run from extra small to extra large. With its open heel design, it's likely to fit different foot sizes and shapes by adjusting the straps. The foot pocket is also soft and comfortable, but the straps are a bit rigid. Prolonged use will make this fin feel uncomfortable, so it's advisable to wear swim socks with these fins. Pros: light and compact, relatively large surface area for the paddle. Comes with a mesh pouch. Cons: straps uncomfortable when worn barefoot and under prolonged use. Number 3. Seavenger Torpedo Snorkeling Fins. The Seavenger swim fins are incredibly light and nicely compact. It's an excellent pair of fins to bring on any travel, with sizes ranging from XXS, XL. It's also an ideal pair for kids. It's another pair that's on the relatively shorter side of short snorkel fins. That means a little less power for each thrust. However, the blades are flexible with a decent surface area, which helps a bit with power. The blades also have vents to compensate for the short blades in terms of power. While it's not the best for propulsion, this is an excellent pair for beginners or for children. It's also great for crowded spots or for casual snorkelers who simply wish to relax during their travels. The foot pocket is soft and comfortable even without swim socks or booties. Because of this, coupled with relatively short blades, it's also possible to walk short distances without taking the fins off. An array of sizes and colors makes Seavenger snorkeling fins a great buy for the whole family. An open heel design makes this fin an excellent option for those with wide or big feet. The adjustable strap and large open foot pocket allow for a custom fit, perfect for sharing. A sharply designed blade responds well to any style of kick, while vented blades propel water back with every downstroke, greatly enhancing the power of your kick. Seavenger snorkeling fins come with a mesh drawstring bag for quick drying and easy transport. Pros: comfortable fit for different water sports. Light and compact. Perfect for children and beginners. Cons: not much power generated per kick. Number 4. Wildhorn Topside Snorkel Fins. These might look a little strange, but these hybrid snorkeling fins are ideal if you have to walk on rocky shores or hot sand to enter the water. Combining a short fin with a neoprene booty, they're incredibly comfortable both on land and in the water. Although with short blades, these snorkeling fins aren't the best for power or speed. Wildhorn fins are the best snorkeling fins for traveling snorkelers. They are light, compact, and incredibly comfortable. Doubling as both a fin and a boot, the shorter length means there is finally a fin you can walk in. With a range of colors and sizes, it's easy to find the perfect fit. The integrated neoprene boot gives you the comfort of wearing a boot without the hassle and ensures your snorkeling trip remains chafe-free. The closed toe and heel prevent hypertension. The adjustable heel strap with hook and loop cinch system allows for a custom fit. With the combined function of a shoe and fin, Wildhorn Topside snorkeling swim fins make for ease of movement both in the water and on land. The Ultra Grip sole lets you traverse through rocks and seaweed without the worry of sharp objects and slippery surfaces. Pros: adjustable Velcro strap, easy to use and versatile. Can be worn on land and sea. No rubbing or chafing. Lightweight and compact for travel. Neoprene provides some warmth and buoyancy. Cons: minimal propulsion. Number 5. Short adjustable fins. Snorkeling. This is a great pair of fins for snorkeling if you will be sharing because it offers adjustable sizes and responds well to different kicking styles because of the lightweight and responsive blade. To maximize propulsion, the blade starts at the end of the foot pocket. As you kick, the fin hugs to your foot. It is great for travel because of its small size and easy to put on, because of an easy-to-use buckle. The buckle also is quick adjusted and has a single finger release for quick removal. As you go through the water, a soft elastomer prevents blisters. Additionally, channel thrust technology controls how the water flows around your foot and propels you forward. A ribbed insole ensures your feet do not slip, and these are also easy to walk in. One thing to note, however, is that the top can press down uncomfortably on your foot if it is especially tall or you have a high arch. It may also tie your muscles if you are not used to snorkeling. Pros: adjustable sizes. Responds well to many kicking styles. Designed for maximum propulsion. Cons: top can be hard on someone with a high arch. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.